Hello everyone, welcome to Blueprint and I'm Aishwarya. Today we're gonna learn introduction of Hindi alphabets and vowels. You might have heard about Hindi in tits and bits, but let's go deep into it. Hindi is one of the Indo-Aryan language widely spoken in India. It has 44 alphabets, of which 11 are vowels and 33 are consonants. Now we will see what vowels are all about. When we pronounce a word, there could be some restriction in our vocal tract. But there are a group of sounds which can be pronounced without any restriction in our vocal tract. They are called as vowels. As I said earlier, Hindi has 11 vowels. And those vowels are a, e, u, r, a, I, o, au. Now we will see more deeply into it. The first vowel of Hindi language is a. 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 A for anar. A for anar. Anar means pomegranate. Next is a. 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 A for arm. Arm. Arm means mango. Third vowel of Hindi language is E. 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 E for imli. E for imli. Imli means tamarind. Next vowel is E. 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 E for eent. E for eent. Eent means brick. Next is U. 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 U for ullu. U for ullu. Ullu means owl. Next vowel is oo. 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 Oo for oon. Oo for oon. Oon means wool. Next is ru. 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 Ru for rishi. Ru for rishi. Rishi means sage. A. 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 A for ache. A for ache. Ache means one. Next is I. 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 I for ainak. I for ainak. Ainak means spectacles. Next is O. 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 O for Om. 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 Ow. 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 Ow for aurat. Ow for aurat. Aurat means woman. So thank you all. That's all for today. Hope you all liked the video. More fresh contents are yet to come. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Blueprint. Thank you.